Welcome to a presentation regarding a new McIlvaine publication, which is Power Plant Material Insights, and it is being issued monthly free of charge, and you'll be able to register and receive it. The power plant materials are key to the development of low-cost, clean electricity. There are a number of new ultra-supercritical boilers on the drawing boards, and to the extent that those materials can withstand higher pressures and temperatures, you're going to be burning less coal and generating more electricity at lower costs. There are a number of other ways that materials are going to help reduce the cost of electricity generation, including the storage of energy in solar with the molten salt process. There are some new technologies such as oxy-fuel, which demand new types of materials. And there's a lot going on. EPRI is doing a lot of work. They've come up with some improvements. Industeel and others are working in Project Cresta to develop steels for these high-temperature, high-pressure applications. There are things going on to help reduce the cost of some of our flue gas desulfurization equipment, with finding out why we've had some failures in the immersion zones of scrubbers, and lots of other things that are going on. And we can actually then go to the Power Plant Material Insights and actually see what one of these looks like here. So what we do is we're going to go right to the McIlvaine Company website, show you on our free site how you can get to Power Plant Insights and a number of other of the publications. So we'll click on the McIlvaine Company, and we have a global knowledge orchard. You click here under Free News and Analysis, and then you can click on Publication. And so Power Plant Material Insights is one of the newer publications that's available. And so you can just scroll down through these publications, and you get the Power Plant Material Insights. We'll click on the initial issue, and then we can start scrolling down. And as you can see here, there's a lot of things going on. We did a webinar where Phillips of EPRI brought us up to date on some new patents and new developments they have that are critical to developing the ultra-supercriticals. Things going on the welding front. As I mentioned, Industeel has joined Cresta on this subject of steels that can withstand the higher temperatures and pressures. There are things going on the rotors and discs and blades. Oxy firing has its own set of challenges, and there's work going on there. Here you're looking at the picture of Andy Bernard in front of a sample of a vitrified tile lining that's being applied to the existing stainless steel scrubber lining. There's some problems in the immersion zones. So we get into all those sorts of problems. Nuclear has its own set of issues, and certainly solving the waste problems and the safety problems, new materials can play a role. But even for conventional nuclear plant cooling systems, if you can take out the old systems and replace them with stainless steel, you're going to have more reliability. So this is an issue, something as simple as the cooling system that can make a big difference. Again, as I mentioned, the molten salt process for storing heat using solar thermal is going to be critical to the future of the solar thermal, and materials are being developed and are developed, being proven in Spain and elsewhere for that service. There's a lot going on in Asia, and in this Material Insights, we're covering some of the activities of the Asian selections. Tidal and Wave has got its own set of materials issues, and materials need to be developed for that as well. And we're going to continue following the discussion of these materials, and here coming up at CoalGen are going to be several good papers where the materials are going to be discussed. So you can register free of charge to this publication, and the registration form shows right up here at the top, or you can actually then go right to our global site there, and it's right on the top of the site. So just click back out of this, and you'll see right at the top of this thing is a link to this registration form, and you can sign up for any of the of our free 30 or 40 newsletters that are shown on this site. So thank you for spending the time today to listen about power plant material insights. We look forward to having you as a subscriber.